Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to view line numbers in Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have my Google Docs over here. So this is my Google Docs informations. So I just want to know how many line numbers are there in this document. So I just want to know the numbers list, how to identify and how to get that one. Simple and easiest way Google Docs has provided us. Go to tools menu and there will be a line numbers. So just hit the button line numbers. Automatically it will open like a pop-up in your right hand side corner as you see here. Just select the checkbox show line numbers. Once you click show line numbers, so there will be line numbers will be in a blue color model you will find. So how many lines are there in your document, it will be displayed over here. So totally first page that 35 lines are there. So if you want to continue through the document, you can just click here or restart the numbers from the documents, means you can restart the numbers or restart each section also you can do. So if you want to apply for this session and entire document, you can choose according to your needs and you can have access. So 35 and 36, 37, 38, totally 42 lines are there in my entire document. Similarly, you can able to identify how many lines are there. For example, I just want to enter some kind of enters or some kind of spaces I have given over here. Automatically that also will be added in my line numbers. So this is a simple and easiest way to identify how many lines are there in my document. So use this option to create your line numbers and show the line numbers, and if you want to remove the line numbers, just remove the checkbox. Automatically it will be removed from your line numbers. So use this option to your any types of research or any types of school and college works. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.